Hello guys, hope you are doing fine. So today I will show you how to disable Windows updates on your Windows system. Though I would not recommend you guys to disable Windows update permanently on your system because Microsoft sends security updates time to time in order to keep your system secure and running seamlessly without any issues. So if you are really frustrated with your Windows update, then I will show you how to disable Windows updates on your system. What you need to do, you need to press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. You will see this small pop-up will appear. In the search bar, you need to enter gpedit.msc and hit on OK. Then you will see this Windows will pop up. Under you will find the computer configuration. Under the computer configuration, you need to click on administrative template. Under administrative templates, you need to click on Windows components. Under Windows components, you need to click on Windows update option. And here within Windows update, you will find configure automatic updates. You need to double click on that option. Here you will find multiple options, that is not configured, enabled, disabled. So if you want to disable your Windows updates permanently, then you need to click on disabled and then click apply and then click OK. This is how you will disable Windows Update permanently from your Windows system. I hope you like this video. Do let me know about your feedback. Thank you. Thank you everyone.